Yeah, hello guys. This is Claude from droneeffectstravels. I doing this special shout out for a long time supporter of my channel. She'll know who she is. SunnyStormy. Uh, the 16th of this month is her birthday, and I want to wish her from the bottom of my heart a very happy birthday. And if you guys do not have her channel, which if you don't, you better connect with her. Uh, she's an awesome person. She's been with me. She's been a friend of mine, a member of my channel for since I almost day one. So this is a very special shout out to Sunny Stormy. In turn, at the bottom of this video, I will post a link to her channel. So if you haven't connected with her, please do. She's an awesome person. And what can I say? She's been with me from day one and hung around with me. She put up with the BS when I started a couple of years back, and she's still here. So connect with her. She's an awesome person. And this isn't a member shout out. This is a shout out for a very special lady who's followed me from day one, who I have great respect for. And the 16th of this month is her birthday. So if you can, if you don't have her, give her a subscribe. Remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates, as well as share and comment. And thank you very much for listening to this special shout out for SunnyStormy. And in turn, in the bottom of this video, in the description, I will put the link to her channel as well, because she doesn't like to post her own links and live streams. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.